Miss Laura. I thought I would give you a glimpse of my studio. It's a real small space, but you can see where I work and some of my collections. I'm going to start with this wall that has my shell collection on it. Shells and bones and nature objects are something that I really like to draw. So the more of them I could find, the better. And over the years, I have also collected little handmade dolls and animals. They just are very cheery for me to collect and look at. And below that, I have my all different kinds of brushes, colored pencils, because you know I've had a lot of years to collect things. So over on this side, I have a big storage piece that has framing supplies, glass, cardboard, tablets, things like that. It's kind of messy. And then this is my table where I work with a paper chest, or it's really called a map chest, behind it that I can keep all my old drawings in, and paper and more supplies, and a rolling cart right next to where I work that will have the paints and the brushes and pens. This is a watercolor that I just took off of the board. It's a sunflower at the end of its season in the fall. So I just finished that, cut it off of the board. Here are all my palettes and more brushes. So this is a fairly small space, but it's one that I feel really comfortable in